What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So day 26 of our tobacco-free challenge. So the missus is over here cleaning the Jeep because she's got some stuff to install onto the Jeep today. And then I might actually be putting the stock wheels back on the Jeep. But yeah, we'll talk about it after the freaking intro. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. Now, what she will be installing today is actually covers for these right here. You guys can kind of see like a little bit of bubbling going on down here. They're known for that. Looks like we have them on every single one but this one. But we actually have one on the other side that completely flaked off. So she's going to be putting the covers on all the way around while I'm taking the wheels off because we're going to be doing something special to the freaking wheels. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, she got the covers on. Don't mind the bird shit. But I think they kind of accent the actual Jeep pretty damn good with all the rest of the black that we have on it. Now we are going to be removing some black from the Jeep, and that is going to be with the wheels. So I'm going to do two at a time. We haven't really been driving the Jeep too often, so I think I might do half today, maybe half on another day, or get them all done today. I'm not 100% sure. She's looking through here like, what? All right, I guess she's making me do them all today. So with doing them all today, we're gonna have to get these cleaned up because they are pretty damn dirty, and scuff them up just a little bit. And we're actually going to be doing like a bronze.
The shackles.
Yeah, anyway, like the shackles that we have on the front. The color of this, the exact color of this. I think it'll accent the Jeep pretty good since we have a lot of black on the Jeep to begin with. Doing the bronze wheels, I feel like it's just gonna kind of tie everything together. I changed shirts and put on a cutoff because I'm sweating, and yes, I'm still freaking wearing jeans, but I want to stay in the jeans for right now. But man, I just needed a little bit more breathing room, but we got a shit ton of rags. We'll be all right. Let's get to cleaning. All right, so you can see this one is where we have the seized caliper, and it's really nasty. And this one was just on the back. That has a little bit of crap. That's supposed to look like that, but they'll be clean now. All right, so this was that front left wheel. We did wet sand both wheels, but it's go time.
Don't zoom in on me.
Now, I'm not going to reveal the wheels just yet, but these are the other two from the passenger side. So we're going to repeat what we did with the front, get these painted, and then getting our clear coat on all four before we reveal these to you guys. You'd be amazed at how time consuming this actually is. While we have a short little intermission, I'm actually going to do something I haven't done in a while, and that's play a little bit of baseball. So I'm gonna pull one of my little bats out. It's actually cool because like the time frame of like me growing up, we had the best bats, the BESR bats, the composite bats that are now like highly illegal, and I have two of them. I wish I still had my Easton Stealth But I do have an old SV12 and an old composite Vexum. So I'm gonna just go up, hit some balls real quick, and kind of get loose. Haven't done that in a very long time. But anyway, happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there. Very special day for you guys. And I know all the people that are out here that are watching this have a mother, obviously, because you had to come from something. So make sure you tell your mother happy Mother's Day. Definitely a lot later than what I wanted it to be, but we're gonna throw some clear coat on these puppies real quick so you guys can kind of see what we're gonna look like. Let's really make these bad boys shine. All right, I'm gonna quickly throw some clear coat on over top of these, let them cure for 24 hours. Then we're gonna put them on the freaking Jeep tomorrow. But kind of looking at this now, I wish I would have said something to her beforehand, because I would have much preferred to plasti dip this or use like our undercoating that we have to kind of match the flatter look. But I mean, it's not bad. It's just, I would have rather done that, but nah, whatever. Now it might be a little bit too early to decide. Dude, this Smoky Mountain stuff, by the way, I'm still saying what I've been saying, that it's pretty damn good. But these aren't going to be perfect by any means. And I could see there's a little bit of running going on here. But I don't know. These might look somewhat decent. A booger. Why don't you guys tell me there was a booger there? Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow. There will be a NASCAR Heat 4 career update at 10 a.m. And we'll also be continuing our 30-day tobacco-free challenge with day 27 tomorrow and an additional Jeep update. Till next time, guys, if this was your first time, give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow.